To the Bay of the Carolinas, we have great concerns over horrible floods coming. My name is Eric Leigh-Pink. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. It was 2 months ago in this video where we would say, under the title, Hurricane Chaos in the Carolinas. Now, when the Santa Rosa earthquake unfolds, soon after that, there will be an enormous hurricane. The hurricane will go up Florida, into the Carolinas, and then upward. You get the impression that the Carolinas get hit hard. They paint certain areas red, black, yellow on the map as I'm looking at this hurricane move. It's very rare to have black, but they did show that image there at the bay where there was heavy damage. Carolinas, please be cautious. And then perhaps the more Jacksonville area as well. After seeing that, it shifted to show that FEMA was utterly absent. No one was getting any help. Aid was not coming in. It was restricted. It was cut off. There was a real sense of just sort of almost cruelty. It just looked vicious. That's not how we treat each other. And all of that was unfolding, and it looked like something out of Katrina was unfolding. It was just horrifying. Again, if the Santa Rosa earthquake takes place, I ask you, share this so we can prevent the next nightmare. Prepare for the next nightmare. Now, as we watched Hurricane Erin climb up and the tide strike the Carolinas, we were wondering, is this it? Is this the prediction? Is this the event? But the spiritual realm stepped in to say, in this moment, no. But in the next one, the one coming around the corner, there's a huge hurricane that sweeps up Florida and then strikes the Carolinas. Please take caution. Thank you. The concern that we have is a very specific city. We were hoping to figure out where exactly, a town, a small one, by the bay. And they make it sound like it gets damaged horribly. My name is Eric Leigh-Pink. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like as we warn the world of tomorrow. Thank you.